Okay, so guys, for you to do this Moongate tax, so I dropped the update here. This was when the update was dropped. The first thing you have to do, you have to click on the link. Then you have to connect your wallet. That's the first thing you have to do. After that, you have to add your email address. So once you've added your email address like that, then it's going to be displaying like this. You'll be taken over to the home page. So, and I'm using Kiwi browser right now, so let me just go over to this three icon here. When I come over here, you have to make sure that you are using desktop mode. If you're using your phone, so you have to make sure that you are using desktop mode, because if you're using just the normal mobile mode, you won't be able to perform all the tasks. So once you've connected, the first thing you have to connect your MetaMask wallet, that's your MetaMask extension. Then you have to add your email. Once you've added your email, a code will be sent to your email to verify your email. Then once you've done that, you'll be asked to connect your Twitter accounts. So the connection of Twitter accounts is just to verify you actually performed the airdrop. So just to verify you actually performed the airdrop. So here now, okay, so once you've done everything, then you have to you'll be clicking on this three icon here for you to be taken over to the quest area. So just click on the three icon. Once you click on that, then you'll be seeing this quest. You have to click on quest. So once you click on quest, then you'll be taken over to this place. So this is where you'll be performing all the tasks. You see the product updates, you see daily tweets, engagement, you see community. So this is just the new task that was being added. Okay, and I actually just started this airdrop, but it's not too late, so you can also perform the airdrop. Then you see the partner here, so you also need to complete this task here. So once you've attained at least 50,000 plus points, because this points will be given, so and once the token has been listed like that, your points will be converted into the MGT token. Okay, but presently its points will be given, and once you get up to 50,000 points, so you see this join with whitelist here. So just click on this join whitelist. It's for you to be given the MOONVP NFT. So you see I just joined the whitelist. I've been whitelisted already. Okay, so once the NFT will be sent to my connected address. If you want to check your address, just click on here. Once you click on that, then you see my address that's been connected. So I can also add a Solana address if I want to add a Solana address. So I can just make use of Phantom. But you see mine is not displaying anything yet, so if yours is displaying, just go to connect your Phantom address. Okay, and here now you'll be seeing a claim button, so we just have to click on this claim button. Whenever you accumulate get to a point, you just click on the claim button. So I'll be getting an additional 500 points. So I'll be updating us more about this. Just go to perform the task.